Today is the turn of this video to show the practical tutorial on how to edit something like this using CapCut editing application. Please, if today is the first time of coming across my page or my video, do wait to give us a follow for more valuable content like this. Don't forget to share this video after watching it so that others will benefit from it. Thank you. Alright, let's go to CapCut so that I will show you how I recorded the video. After showing you, then we will commence the editing. Head over to CapCut editing application. Then once you click on it, it will land you here. Click on new project to bring in the video. Here is the video. Click on this very add button to bring it to the editing interface. First of all, head over to this very button here, mute clip. Then to silence the entire original background voice. Okay, it is now voiceless. This is how I recorded the video. I recorded the empty background first before I recorded myself. That is the action part of the video. Then I recorded another part of it where I have changed my attire. Okay, you can see that I wear different clothing. Let's go to the beginning of the video. Click on it. Click on the video to have it highlighted. Swipe to the end part of this feature and click on freeze. Now you have freezed the empty background. Take the video to the action part of it where you were about to stand like this. Okay, I think here is okay. Now click on the video bar like this. Click on any part of it, come over to split, then head over to the unwanted part of the screen clip, have it highlighted and click on delete to remove it. Now we have the empty background, which is the freezed part of it, and the action button. Head over to that very place where you changed clothes and also have it splitted. Okay, by highlighting it. Once you have it highlighted, you split it like that. Now this is what you will do. Come over to the beginning of the video and highlight the empty background. Once you have it highlighted, you swipe to overlay. Okay, ask your question if you didn't get my question. Now this is what you will do. Click on this part of the overlaid empty background. You can see that white portion. Click and hold on that very place that the arrow is pointing. Click and hold like this and drag it to where this clip ended. Okay, like this, before you enter the second clip. Now having that overlaid empty background highlighted, this is what you will do. Head over to remove background. Here is it. Now once you click on it, come to chroma key. Click on chroma key. You will see a circle inside here. Now take the circle up. Okay, take it up. Just move around. If you get through the screen, then until you get the desired stuff. Now come to this button, intensity, and take it to either 50 or 60 for more clarity. Okay, I think this is okay. Once you are done, click on this check mark button here like this. We have achieved the first clip. Okay, let's play it before we continue. Have you seen it? Okay, now let's go to add the second clip, which is where I was making a phone call. Then highlight it like this by touching the video bar like this. Having it highlighted, swipe to overlay and click on it. Click and hold and take it below the first overlay and move it to the beginning of the video until you get it like this. This is what you will do at this point. Have it highlighted and swipe to this feature called mask. Here is it. This is mask. Click on that very mask. Then allow it to load. You swipe to rectangle. Here is it. Rectangle. Click on it. Now bring the rectangle by clicking and hold the inside of the rectangle shape here. Bring it down and then do the adjustment by using this key and this one. Okay, do the necessary adjustment. All right, then once you are done with the adjustment, you head over to this check mark key to authenticate your action. Please ask your question if you didn't get my explanation. Now let's play the video to know if our work is okay. All right, now you discovered an error. The place where this giant me did that abracadabra and where I responded did not match. Now you need to do some adjustment on this second overlay so that everything will work perfectly. Okay, very good. Leave the video here and then drag it to this point and then take it forward. Let's play it again. No, it's too fast. Let's play the video again. All right, have you seen it now? So at the end, you do some adjustment by trimming. Once you are done with trimming the video totally, then you head over to export and click on it to have your video exported directly to your gallery. Please share this video so that others will learn from this very tutorial. Others are paying to learn what I'm teaching you here, but I'm doing it free of charge. That is the only way you can support me and then motivate me for more tutorial like this. See you in my next video. Bye.